How to configure WordPress general settings. Log into your WordPress account and you will see this page. On the WordPress dashboard below Tools, hover on Settings. Click on General. Complete the information in General Settings. You can also change the site title and tagline. For example, we set the site title to Engage Branding Example. After completing the form, scroll down and click on the Save Changes button. That's it, you have successfully configured WordPress general settings. Thank you for watching. Please contact us if you need any further support.